will be doing Will You Press the Button? So it seems pretty interesting. I don't really know how it works, so let's try it out. Will you press the button.com. Reply if you ever remove it. That's hey, I can still fly. The king of fruit comes back to life, but you're not allowed to listen to any other music. I will not. Will you press the button? You can materialize anything in the computer. Once by a magic. Ooh, that's pretty good. You have to press the button to ever press the here, regardless of the downside, and just accept it as your new reality. Trash! I can just imagine something to get me out of it. You can materialize. That's a good one. Hi, Mitchell. What the? Yeah. There we go. You never age no longer requires water or food and are immune to all disease and radiation. You're first to leave all that you love behind and explore the universe and never return to Earth. No. That was a good one. Your children will grow up to be amazing people that will astound the world with their actions and discoveries. Your life will be a miserable failure at every turn you're rearing of your children. I will not. Because I can just raise my kids to be good kids and show them that they don't always need success. Travel at any planet you want to go at any time at the speed of light. You will never meet the love of your life. Then how am I gonna have kids? I'm just joking. I don't plan on having kids. I have to at least be 35. You can travel to any planet you want. Oh, that's good. You gain exceptional athletic ability and an incredible charisma. You are permanently inflicted by unpredictable zealous. Oh, no. No. That was a good one. Well, that seems pretty interesting. So, that's pretty much it for today. I rate this like 4 stars. There's nothing really to do. I figured it'd be a little more entertaining. It's still a good game. I like the what's it called? The options you can choose and stuff. But it's still not that entertaining for me. So that's basically it for today. Bye.